how to find downloaded apps on Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually find out the downloaded applications on your Google Play Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find out the downloaded apps on your Play Store, all you need to do is just open up your Google Play Store, and then if you want to find the applications that you've actually downloaded on your Android phone, right, so you can see all the applications that I've downloaded. If you want to find them inside of your Play Store, just open up your Play Store first of all, then tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, then go to manage apps and device. Then once you go to manage apps and device, you can see overview and manage. You want to simply switch to the manage tab over here, and then here you'll be able to see all the downloaded apps. Now in case you're seeing the ones that are not installed on your device as well, here you can see a tab that says installed, right? So you can tap on it and then you can select installed over here, because sometimes it could have been set to not installed, so it will show the applications that are not installed but were downloaded in some other phones using your Google account. But if you want to find the ones that are only installed on your phone, just select install and you'll be able to find all the ones. So if you want to check for updates, you can select updates. If you want to check for games, you can only select games over here as well. And this is it for this video as to how you can find your downloaded applications on your Play Store. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.